Hi everyone, this is Chef Andrew from Keto Fine Dining and welcome back to my channel. So recently, because of you, I was able to hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel and I am so grateful for your support. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so much. On this channel, I am constantly trying to improve and provide you the best content possible, like sharing with you my knowledge about nutrition, cooking tips, and of course my keto recipes that I have been working on and perfecting over the years. And because you show interest in my work, I was able to get this Leica macro lens that allows me to get even closer to the subject and reveal incredible tiny little details of macro world and show you just how incredible tiny little details of food can look like. I was able to play with this lens for a couple of days now and it looks really cool in my opinion. And I can't wait to show you some examples of what I filmed so far. So let's roll. really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button. And if you're new to this channel and looking for some healthy keto recipes, then you can subscribe to my channel because I have so many other recipes that I just can't wait to share with you. I wish you well, and I'll see you very soon in the next episode. Bye!